Hi guys, thank you very much for your comments and all the likes that you made for my channel. I really appreciate it, and that's what keeps me doing all these new videos. So I've read in the comments something like nice work, hoping to get more videos like making rocket or jet or plane from you. So today we're gonna make this kind of rocket, like toy rocket, because my child's friend, he's 2 years old, and basically he finished kindergarten in Nimmerland, and then he's going to the Tramhugel kindergarten. His name was Jonas, so we decided to make this rocket for him, for a memory. So today we're gonna repeat all the process. We're gonna learn how to loft, we're gonna make some circular patterns, and we'll see how did I get to this result. Okay, let's get started. So we're gonna start with a simple sketch on the XY plane. This is our XY plane. I press letter C for circle, and then I make approximately 30 millimeters circle. Finish sketch. Now we will have to construct offset plane. So this is our XY plane. We click on that plane and we're going to offset approximately 80 millimeters. I hit OK. Then I'm gonna create sketch on this plane, which we just created now. I'm gonna hit letter C for circle, and I'm gonna make a little bit bigger my circle, 44 millimeters or whatever makes you happy. Finish sketch. Now I'm gonna construct one more offset plane from our XY plane, and I'm gonna make it slightly bigger than before. Let's say 130 millimeters. I hit OK. Then I'm gonna create sketch on our new plane. I'm gonna hit letter C for circle, and I'm gonna make it 4 millimeters. I hit enter. Finish sketch. Now all what we have to do, from create drop down menu, I choose loft. I choose my first profile, then I choose my second profile, and then I choose my third profile. And as you can see, the shape of the rocket slightly appearing. I hit OK. So this is the shape of our rocket. So now we have to make the sides of the rocket. So I press on the front. I create sketch on this plane, and then I will simply draw a line over here. Then I will choose fit point spline, and I will draw another line like this. And with one more fit point spline, I will draw another line like this. Then I close my sketch with another simple line, and I press finish sketch. Okay, now let's extrude this part. I press extrude. I will choose symmetric, and let's make it 2 millimeters. 2 millimeters looks quite strong. I choose operation join and I hit OK. Now we need to make kind of one more rocket right here. So for that I choose create sketch on XY plane. I choose circle. And I make 8 millimeters circle. Finish sketch. Then construct offset plane from XY. Let's say 14 millimeters. Okay. Then I choose create sketch on our new plane. C for circle. And I make it 12 millimeters. Finish sketch. Then I construct one more offset plane. Let's say 26 millimeters. I hit OK. And I create one more sketch on our new plane. C for circle. And let's make it 2 millimeters. Finish sketch. Now we create loft from here until here and until here. The operation will be join. Okay. So now we need to repeat all this around the whole rocket. It doesn't look quite nice, so we can readjust this sketch. Just right click and choose edit sketch. So I want this part to be here and this part to be here, something like that. Finish sketch. Now looks a little bit better. We can make fillet right here, 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 and here. 1 millimeter, 2 millimeters. 2 millimeters looks good. Okay. And here also looks like we need some fillet. So I choose fillet, choose this circle, and let's make it 2.5 millimeters. Okay. Let's see how it looks on the rocket. A little bit way too sharp. Fillet, 1 millimeter, 2 millimeters. Okay. Now it looks more smooth. And from create drop down menu we choose pattern, circular pattern. Type will be features. We select our extrusion, loft, fillet, fillet, fillet. Axis will be our Z axis. As you can see, it creates 3 extra parts. We can choose 4, 5, 6, whatever makes you happy. But this looks pretty much something from sci-fi movie, so let's make it 3. And then I hit OK. So the shape of the model pretty much ready. So now let's create entrance in our rocket. For that we need to construct offset plane. We go on the left side, we choose this plane. Okay. And we offset our plane slightly away from our model, like this. I hit OK. Now I press create sketch on this plane. I draw line, I press L for line, and I choose construction from center until here. Then I create center rectangle, I unclick construction, and I make rectangle somewhere here. Then I will create 2-point circle from here until here. I press letter L to make one more line from here until here. Then I press letter T to trim. I trim all the sketch that I don't need. And I hit finish sketch. Now I will just extrude this sketch towards our rocket, like this. Maybe a little bit less. Like this will be perfect. Operation cut. Okay. Now we have something that looks like an entrance. So let's make the edges a little bit less sharp with the fillet. Let's say 1.5 millimeters. Okay. Now here I will create one more sketch. I press P to project. I will choose what I want to project. I hit OK. Now I will choose L to have line. I will draw one line right here, finish sketch, extrude this, -2. Okay. Then I will create one more sketch right here. I will press P to project all this. Okay. I will hit letter L and I will make one more step. So this will be our steps. Finish sketch, extrude, -2. So this will be our steps. Let's make a fillet inside also. Fillet, this line, let's say 2 millimeters. How about 4? 5? Okay, 5 looks good. Then I will create one more sketch right here. Create sketch. And we will make a door. So I will choose project. Okay. I will hit letter O to offset this sketch, like this. I will hit letter T to trim this. Then I hit letter L to make this line longer. And this line also until the bottom. T to trim, and then I press finish sketch. Let's extrude this -2. Okay. So every rocket have a window. On this side we're gonna make window, construct, offset plane from this plane. We're gonna make slightly away from the rocket. Okay. Create sketch. And let's make a window right here. So I press C for circle, somewhere over here, something like 20 millimeters. Finish sketch, extrude towards the rocket. Let's try -12. Okay. Then I will apply a fillet here, one. Okay. I will create one more sketch here. C for circle. So we had 20, let's make it 18. Okay. Finish sketch. Extrude this circle that we made, -2. Okay. And that will be our window. So let's create some letters or the name of the rocket somewhere on the side. So we will construct plane at angle, line Z, and now we need to choose where exactly we want our name. Let's say on this side. Okay. Then I'll do offset plane from this plane, slightly away from the rocket. Okay. I will create a sketch on this plane. I will create a text, something like M3D, align in the center. Let's choose some font. Okay, finish sketch. Then we will extrude these letters in direction our rocket. Operation join. Okay. Then we're gonna create sketch on this plane, and we're just gonna repeat the shape of the rocket. So I choose fit point spline from here until here. Then with a simple line, I'm gonna close the sketch, finish sketch, and now we're going to revolve this sketch around our Z-axis, an operation cut. Okay. We can extrude our letters a little bit more. Edit future. And let's choose symmetric. Okay. So these our bodies that we don't need. Remove. Remove. And that's how we get nicely aligned text in the very quick way. You can add and other features as long as you need it. So that's how you make a rocket. It's pretty much straightforward and easy. Let's give it some colors. Okay, looks perfect. So now let's create some scene.
You would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me.
So that's how you make a rocket. It's pretty much easy. All what you do is just loft, 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 and some circular pattern. So thank you for watching. A lot more designs to come. Feel free to leave comments about what would you like me to make, and enjoy your modeling.